Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top 4 Best Model Car Building Kit Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
One 14-scale building blocks car set features a sleek sports car design with detailed styling and smooth assembly. Made from durable, child-safe materials, it offers an engaging building experience for kids and adults. Ideal as a collectible display model or creative gift, encouraging imagination, patience.
Number 3.
Toylink's 1280 PCS technical racing car building blocks features a detailed sports car design with optional electric RC version. Build with 1280 precision pieces, enjoy realistic styling, durable ABS material, and smooth functions. Choose static display or motorized remote control driving for interactive fun.
Number 2.
Hot TOY Technical 42172P1 Super Racing Car features 3,893 precision pieces in a large 1:8 scale supercar design. It includes realistic details, opening doors, functional steering, and advanced mechanical structure. Made from durable ABS material, this impressive building blocks model delivers a challenging, rewarding build.
Number 1.
Technical Blue GT42154 Performance Race Car features 1468 pieces in a detailed 1/12 scale MOC design. Built for adults and enthusiasts, it showcases authentic styling, realistic mechanics, and rolling wheels. Perfect as a collectible, display model, or gift, delivering a building experience with presentation.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.